That's a really interesting topic to talk about, and it reminds me of one of the most serendipitous encounters that led to a lasting friendship during my travels to Japan. In the midst of a foreign land, I crossed paths with someone from my own country, and little did I know that this chance meeting would blossom into a profound friendship. It was at a bustling train station in Tokyo where I first met Rosie, a fellow traveler from my homeland. Both of us were navigating the complexities of Tokyo's railway system, and the shared perplexity at the intricate maps quickly became the icebreaker for our initial conversation. This encounter happened during a warm summer afternoon. Initially, my thoughts were a mix of surprise and comfort. Rosie, with her infectious enthusiasm, struck me as someone genuinely open to new experiences and connections. It was our similar interests, values, and shared experience of navigating a foreign culture that cemented our friendship. As we explored Tokyo together, from the historic shrines to the vibrant street markets, we discovered a shared passion for cultural exploration. Our friendship deepened as we faced the challenges of navigating a foreign language, laughed over cultural misunderstandings, and marveled at the beauty of blending our traditions with the richness of Japanese culture. Over the course of our journey in Japan, what started as a chance encounter transformed into a meaningful connection. We exchanged contact information, promising to stay in touch once we returned to our homeland. True to our word, our friendship has endured beyond the borders of Japan, with shared memories becoming the foundation of a lasting camaraderie.